Build your smart weekly workflow. 5 free AI tools you can use today. Want to plan your week in minutes without paid apps or extra stress? In this video, I'll walk you through 5 completely free AI tools that will help you set goals, organize tasks, and visualize your schedule. Whether you're juggling a full-time job, family commitments, or side projects, these tools will save you time and keep you on track. Welcome back to HumanOS, where we help you adapt smarter in the age of AI. If you're curious about new technology, feeling overwhelmed, or looking to pivot your skills, this channel is for you. Let's dive in. First, ChatGPT free. Head to chatgpt.com and ask it to plan my week based on these priorities. Then list your top 3 goals. In seconds, ChatGPT returns a structured to-do list broken down by day. You can even refine it. Ask for time estimates, reminders, or focus blocks. For example, break down my week with 2 hours of creative writing, daily email catch-up, and fitness sessions. ChatGPT helps you turn vague priorities into clear action steps. Next, Perplexity.ai. This free research assistant isn't just for information, it can design your schedule. Paste your draft plan into Perplexity and ask, optimize the schedule for productivity and work-life balance. It will suggest ideal time blocks, integrate breaks, and even recommend when to tackle deep work versus administrative tasks. Because it cites sources, you can trust its productivity studies on peak focus times. Third, Google Gemini. Head over to gemini.google.com. Type, create a weekly agenda template for a marketing professional, and Gemini generates a fully formatted table you can copy into docs or sheets. You get columns for objectives, deadlines, and notes, all without fumbling through blank templates. It's perfect for anyone who needs a polished planner in seconds. Fourth, Microsoft Copilot. Highlight any list of tasks on the web, whether it's an email thread or project outline, and right-click to ask Copilot to turn this into a weekly schedule. Copilot will automatically group tasks by days, add estimated times, and even suggest priority labels. You can export the result to OneNote or Word. If you already use Edge, this feature comes at no extra cost. Fifth, Canva Magic Design. Go to canva.com and select Magic Design. Describe your week in text, like Monday morning meeting, Tuesday client calls, Wednesday research day, and choose the planner template. In moments, Canva gives you a customizable printable planner with colors and graphics. You can tweak fonts, add your logo, or download as a PDF. It's a visual boost to keep you motivated all week long. Here's how to put it all together. On Sunday evening, draft a rough plan in ChatGPT. Refine it with Perplexity for balance. Generate a polished template in Gemini or Copilot. Then create a visual planner in Canva. Spend no more than 15 minutes total. Repeat each week. Over time, this routine becomes your secret productivity weapon. The best part? All of these tools are free. No credit cards, no subscriptions, no learning curve. They're designed for people who want real results without tech headaches. So what are you waiting for? Pick one tool, try it this week, and let me know how it goes in the comments. Your feedback helps us all learn and improve. Coming up next, I'll show you how to use AI to learn new skills in under 30 minutes a day, so you can keep growing without burning out. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss it. This is HumanOS. Adapt smarter.